First, I will upload the garage excavation DXF and XML design files to the cloud that we have configured in iDig. You can also place these files on a USB to load them onto the control box. Now we will import these files into our iDig 3D project. First, press anywhere on the work screen to access the toolbar. Next, press the project layer icon. Here, select Settings. And then, choose Input File. Here, select Import File. I will choose the iDig Machine Control Data folder since that is where I uploaded the design files to. Then, I will choose the Garage Excavation DXF and select Open. Back in the Import menu, it's essential that you select the correct units of the file. In this case, it is US survey feet. Then hit Apply. And we now have 3D lines representing our excavation. Notice we now have a 3D layer matching the file name. When we go to View Entities, we can see each of the 3D lines that were in the DXF we imported. Back in the Import menu, I will select the Garage Excavation XML file and hit Open. Ensure the correct units of the file are selected, and hit Apply. We now have a surface imported that we will use for guidance. Next, I will go to the Layer menu and choose Select for Guiding. And that's it. We have imported a 3D Linework DXF file and an XML surface file. And we are now getting guidance to the design surface for our project.